Valentine's Day is the ultimate handmade holiday because it doesn't take expensive gifts to show someone how much you care. It's really all about thoughtful sentiments. And giving the gift of handmade is giving the gift of love. Plus, that sense of satisfaction you get when you make it yourself, well, you're giving yourself some love too. So today I've got your inspiration on how to add a little LOVE into your Valentine's Day decor. And we all know that Valentine's Day is for everyone. It's for the kids, family, grade school crushes, secret lovers, and adults young and old. So let's start with some Happy Hearts DIY ideas for the kids. This love-filled day is all about cards and candy. So add something sweet to the kids' table, starting with this lollipop centerpiece. It's easy to make. All you need is a styrofoam half ball and a lot of lollipops. Stick the lollipops into the foam, one at a time, and then cover the entire surface, and you have a sweet treats centerpiece that the kids will absolutely love. Next, add some festive decor to the day with this hanging hearts chandelier. All you need is cardstock, heart-shaped cutouts in all sizes, and some twine. You're gonna add sentiments to the center of the heart, just like those conversation candy hearts that we all know and love. And then sandwich the hearts together over the twine using glue. Add multiple hearts to one piece of twine. Hang them from an existing light fixture over the table, or you can even hang them from the ceiling in the hallway or over a door. It's a fun way to say, I love you. Next, you'll need to add placemats to the table. So using some colored paper, cut out different size hearts and layer them together using your glue stick. Add names, add trim, make it your own. This is also a great kids activity, so have the kids make their own placemats. This way, they're learning how to be creative and they're also learning to use what they've made. And finally, I always say, if you have to buy something, add something handmade to it. So if you're giving gift cards this Valentine's Day, create an accordion envelope card and put the gift cards in the pockets. To make it, just string the envelopes together by sticking the top flap to the back side of the next envelope. You can put as many together as you can fill. Then dress up this cute accordion card with stickers, ribbons, and love notes for a Valentine's that's full of surprises. Now let's not forget about the adults. We need some love too. So start by saying I love you with this button heart card. It's a simple idea that's perfect to give to a friend. Just add a heart-shaped piece of cardstock to a blank card by sewing it or gluing it on, and then cover it with buttons. You can also add a beautiful centerpiece to your table for two with this mason jar rose centerpiece. All you need to do is paint a mason jar or old recycled jar white, glue a medium-sized styrofoam ball to the top, and stick the faux roses into the foam until the entire surface is covered. It's so beautiful. Your love for this faux centerpiece will never die. And next, if you really want to heat things up, remember that old nightie that you're probably never going to wear again? Well, turn it into a Sweethearts placemat. Just cut the nightgown into a rectangle shape that's large enough to use for a table setting. Sew it together or use fabric glue, making sure to use the lace and fabric scraps for embellishment on the placemat, where you can put your knife, fork, and spoon. You can even add an iron-on transfer photo of you and the one you love. This upcycling idea is sure to add a little spark to your Valentine's Day. And finally, create a dirty deeds box to rev up your relationship. With this clever gift, just repurpose an old cigar box. I just painted this one red. And then cut out some heart-shaped paper. And on the hearts, all you need to do is write 52 dirty deeds that you want done over the next year. Every week you pull one out and you do the deed. They can be anything. Wash the fold, do the mess up the sheets, take a just get creative with it and get your dirty deeds done. And for those people who don't think they're crafty enough to say I love you with a handmade gift, I say give your creative genius a wake-up call and make something for the ones you love. And don't worry, there's no such thing as making a mistake when it comes to creativity. You just take the project in a different direction and pivot. Yeah, we've all learned to pivot over the last few years. Happy Valentine's Day, everyone. Mwah.